Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick yet exciting video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background on any logo / images. This is especially useful if you need to print it and you don't need the background on that specific logo or images. So this is a new part series, keeping it quick and simple, trying to keep my videos super short yet straight to the point, so without wasting any time. Let me show you the first way on how you successfully remove the background on a logo or an image. Now this will be a 3 to 4, 5 part series because there's many ways to remove the background. If ever I don't cover your specific way with your specific software or the current tools you have at your disposal, make sure to take a look at part 2, 3 and so on of these videos to find a way that works for you on how to remove the background, because if there's a way, I most likely covered it. My name is Dom, I own Hole Printing Inc. I've been in the printing industry for years. I've worked with many big corporations and I help you on your printing journey. Now, without wasting any time guys, let's open up the image and remove the background. So guys, we're using a simple one for today. I'll have more complex ones with gradients and stuff of that nature. Load up your image into Photoshop. Make sure if your background looks something like this, that you go ahead and left click, convert to smart object, left click again, excuse me guys, right click, rasterize layer. Now the only thing you want to do is click this magic wand tool. Once the magic wand tool is selected, you want to click anywhere on the background where it's white. Once the whole background is selected, if you have parts of the background that you want to remove, like inside of here, since there's the actual logo blocking it, you want to hold shift and select with the magic wand. So this is going to select everything at once guys. Sorry for the angle, I am filming this alone. So shift and click on the other white background. So this has created everything being selected. Once you have the whole background of the image selected, you want to go on select and you want to click inverse. Once that is done, the only thing left to do guys, click this icon right here. So now the background has been successfully removed. Now you want to go here guys on the corner, convert to smart object, right click again, and rasterize layer. Now you can go ahead and remove this by erasing it or selecting it. We'll just do something like this for now. And now your background has been successfully removed. Just a quick tip guys, before you go ahead and print it, especially if you're using a commercial printer, what I like to do, I'm just doing this quickly for the example, is let me just center my image here guys, new guide. And since we were removing a white background, let me put a black background here. Perfect. So as you guys can see, the background has been successfully removed, but what I want to do guys, if I want to print a black image, let me just do a color overlay and put it black. And let's remove the color overlay just a second. As you can see guys, I had some white dead pixels. I made a video on this before. The way to remove this is I simply put a color overlay, and this is going to make the image a lot more crisp. As you can see, we're removing the white outline. And the white outline guys in this example is simply the background we just removed. Obviously we used the magic wand, so it's not going to be to the pixel, right? It's going to remove the most of the background, but it doesn't want to affect the image, so that's why we're still having the white outline, the white background showing. So by doing a color overlay, this completely mitigates all of that issue. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful on how to remove a background on Photoshop. Like I said, if I haven't covered your specific way, if you don't have Photoshop, if you don't have access to these tools, I'll have a lot more ways how you can remove the background on any logo, any image, no matter how complicated it is, so you can go back to stuff that matters like printing. Hopefully you guys found this video somewhat helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.